The Brunswick Centre was built by Patrick Hodgkinson in 1972. It is characterized by its stadium shape, glass conservatories and imposing ventilator towers. The Brunswick Centre is one of London's most recognisable estates, and a prime example of Britain's low-rise, high-density housing design tradition. The Brunswick Centre was designed to be much grander in size, and initially intended as a private development. But as a result of various administrative complications, these visions were never fulfilled. It is often termed a megastructure, a post-war urban design concept that combines several interconnected functions, such as housing, shopping, workshops, car parks, and a cinema in this case. The estate has 560 flats over 7 floors, and has been Grade 2 listed since the year 2000.
Checkpoint.
The Brunswick Centre appears in a scene from Michelangelo Antonioni's 1975 film The Passenger, starring Jack Nicholson and Maria Schneider. If you want to see and hear more of the estate, you can join my London walk Brutalism for Beginners, available on weekends at 10 o'clock all year around. For more information and bookings, visit my site www.explorabilia.co.uk.